In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a DoorDash account. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or phone and go to DoorDash.com. Take a quick moment to make sure you're on the official site so you know your information is secure. The homepage should load quickly and show options for ordering food and signing in. Next, look for the option to start a new account. You'll typically see a button that says Sign Up or Create Account, often near the top right corner of the page or prominently on the home screen. Click or tap that to begin. If you land on a sign-in screen instead, just choose the sign up link from there. You'll be asked to enter a few basic details. Type your full name, a valid email address, and a mobile phone number you can access right now since you'll use it for verification. Create a strong, unique password you haven't used elsewhere. Double check for typos, especially in your email and phone number, because accuracy here will save time later. Now you'll choose your account type. Select Customer if your goal is to order food and have it delivered to you. Choose Dasher if you want to deliver food and earn money completing deliveries. Pick the option that fits your plan today. You can always explore more information on each path after your account is created. Add your location so DoorDash knows where to deliver or show availability in your area. You can type your delivery address manually, including any apartment, suite, or building details that help drivers find you. If your browser offers it and you're comfortable, you can also allow it to use your current location for convenience and accuracy. To keep your account secure, you'll need to verify it. DoorDash will send a code to the email or phone number you provided. Check your inbox or your text messages and look for a short numeric code. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and check your spam or junk folder for email. Enter the verification code exactly as shown. If the code expires or doesn't arrive, use the on-screen option to send a new one and try again. Once your code is accepted, your DoorDash account is set. If you signed up as a customer, you can start browsing restaurants and menus tailored to your location. If you chose Dasher, you'll see options related to delivering and can continue exploring the tools available to you. That's all it takes to make a DoorDash account.